everyone, welcome to my channel, Nails in Orbit. Today we have another Halloween video and we're actually going to be drawing his namesake, Garfield and Odie. Woo! So if you guys haven't met Odie yet, this is Odie. Cute little boy. So we're going to be drawing Garfield and Odie in like pumpkin costumes, and then I'm going to be doing some pumpkin 3D nail art. So if you guys are wanting to see that, let's get started. Happy Halloween, you guys. Woo! So we are starting off with Garfield himself. And I just started by color blocking the pumpkin with some color. I probably said this in my last set. Sorry, my dog is right behind me. Odie, say hello if you're gonna stand right there. Or sit right there. So I did 3 sets this day. I did my toes, my right hand, and this left hand. So I was like, you know what? We're not going to sketch today. We're going to color block. We're going to throw it back to how I used to do all my sets. And I would just color block, no sketching at all. I tried to sketch because when I was editing the video, but for some reason I just didn't like how my sketch was turning out. So I was like, we're just going to go ahead and do the color block and hope for the best. So we start with orange blossom to make the pumpkin. I am going to color over that orange blossom with a different color, so it won't stay that color. But I love this set because it's so orange. Like there's just so many shades of orange on it. But anyway, now we're going in with pumpkin juice, and we are just color blocking the shape of Garfield. I was a little bit off on his shape, just a tad, but you can't tell. And I used to do that all the time. Like I was just slightly off, but as long as you get like the face features and everything right, like nobody can tell. So I just did the best I can with the amount of space I had. I wanted to make sure that obviously his whole like head and the hat was on there, but the bottom part of the pumpkin wasn't my main priority. So I think you'll see me like extend the bottom of the bottom part of the pumpkin, and that's what I do. So now I'm adding the top and just trying to make it as good as I can. Fit it on this nail perfectly. I just love these nails so much. The tips I'm using are the coffin, the medium coffin tips from the Crystal Tips collection from Ballpit, and I just turned them into like this medium sized almond, which is really easy. I like to do that rather than, because I don't use coffin a lot, so I like to make an almond from the coffin. So I actually use the coffin the majority of the time. Funny enough. So anyway, I am using my double trouble brush to do my line work. Sorry if I'm a little delirious. It's before 9 a.m. I'm filming this before I go to work today because this video is actually coming out the day I am talking right now. It is Halloween for me too. So I was like, this set cannot come out after Halloween. It has to come out today. Like I know I just posted a video yesterday, but the pumpkins had to come out. So we are just doing our line work, and then I will move on to the face and sketch. The line work comes pretty quick in this set, faster than a lot of my sets, but yeah, so we're throwing in the line work. I've noticed a lot with Garfield, they have like these colored in black spots. You'll see it a lot on Odie. Like there's like parts of his legs that are all black. Like they have really harsh shadows in this cartoon, which I think is really cool. And now we are using candy corn. I love candy corn. Candy corn is like just a perfect like pumpkin-y orange with silver reflective glitter in it. So it's really fun. I absolutely love it. And I didn't even realize it was reflective until I was taking my photos, and I was like, oh, wait a minute. And it just looked really good. So I'm happy I used it. It's very nice. And I love, like there's a lot of orange in this set, but I feel like there's enough contrast and line work that you can tell the difference between the oranges. So, but I knew I had to change the orange blossom because I didn't want so many solids. I mean, the background's not even solid, but I wanted more glitter than solids, which is very normal for me. And then I used the sketching gel to sketch out the eyes and kind of shape the mouth. And then we're just going to color block from there. Garfield is a really fun character to draw. You can make like quite a few mistakes on him, and I feel like he'll still very much look like Garfield. So I love Garfield. He's, like I said, one of my favorites. I feel like him, I used to love to draw the Care Bears all the time, and then Invader Zim, I love those, all those three characters. Like Garfield, I think I have Garfield in almost every holiday. I have a summer Garfield. Do I have a Christmas? Yeah, I have a Christmas Garfield and I have a Halloween Garfield. So I think I just need a Valentine's Day Garfield and we will be all set. So, so for the eyeballs, since I got the eye like white part shaped, I just colored over the whole sketches I did on the eyes because I'm pretty much going to know where the eye shape is going to go because I have that white part of the eye and I can see where the swoops are going to go. So that's what I did. And now I'm going in with my line work and finishing up my line work for Garfield. And then I'll pop back in when we do the little side black part because I really like that part of Garfield. So this is my favorite part of Garfield. I feel like as soon as you put these on, he looks like Garfield and I absolutely love it. And he's just so cute. Oh my God, look. It's just perfect. That detail just makes him look like Garfield, so I love it. But yeah, so I woke up early today because I needed to get this filmed so that you guys can have a Halloween video. Plus I cannot post this. This is a very Halloween set and it cannot be posted after. but I also still need to get my Halloween costume together. I've tried it on, but I haven't finished, like, I'm gonna be a clown, so I haven't finished like I'm gonna do big yarn hair, and I haven't finished that or started that at all. And I still have to make the neck thing. Oh my God. Anyway, I can do this. I still have to make the neck thing and I've never painted my face like a clown. So, but I got the one, I can't remember what it's called, but it starts with an A on TikTok, like the face paint palette. And I got like translucent powder and everything. So I should be able to do a good job. And I have to do my fiance's. Oh my goodness. I'm really hoping I don't get a lot of freelance work today. Because I need to do this. So it's going to be a busy day, but I'm happy I woke up early and got this done because I would have been devastated if this video was not done. So yes, and what else do I got nothing else to say for this set. But again, let me know what you guys are going to be. I'm going to try my hardest to get a good picture of myself that I want to put on social media. So I'm going to try my absolute best to get a good picture. Sorry if you can hear Odie, because I'm excited. I don't even know what my sister-in-law is going to be. She had to find her outfit yesterday because we just found out that we have a party to go to. So we're like, yay! So you guys have fun and be safe for Halloween. I know it's a big Halloween weekend, but just be safe, have a good time, and I would love to see your guys' costumes or your nails that you did with your costume. So tag me on Instagram so I can see. And now we are doing the same thing with Odie. We're taking our orange blossom and we are starting with the pumpkin. I started with the pumpkin because it was just like the biggest part of the set. So it was easiest to just kind of get the pumpkin placed and then work from the pumpkin. But Odie was a little bit tougher with the placement because I had to have space for his ears and the majority of his legs. Like I can cut off a little bit of his legs, but I wanted to make sure like at least the top of his paws made it onto the set. And I actually color blocked the body twice. So this is my second attempt at color blocking it because I made the body a little bit too big and there wasn't enough space for his legs. So sometimes it just takes a few tries, and that's what I did. So right now I'm using the color Eggnog, which is like a very pale yellow, and that's perfect for him. And did I say the background? The background color is the special edition Carved Up from the most recent Halloween collection. It is sold out, unfortunately, but that's what I'm using for the background, and it looks really pretty and I love it. It's like a perfect amount of shimmer. Like, so I have shimmer, and then I also have glitter on this set, which I love. And then we'll have 3D stuff. We're doing 3D pumpkins at the end, guys, but I barely show it because my phone was not holding storage, but I'll explain it when we get there. So now we are going in with hot hazelnut for the ears, and they just look so cute. I love little Odie. He's adorable. If I've said Pluto by accident, I don't think I have, but in my head I keep calling him Pluto, but I hope that's not coming out of my mouth as I'm filming this. But yes, Odie, my cute little doggy's namesake. My mom was so mad. She wanted me to name him Orbit because obvious reasons, but I feel like Odie is just easier to say. Like, Orbit would be like a little bit harder. I know it's like, and I also was like, no, he needs to have his own little identity. He doesn't need to be connected to Nails and Orbit. So that's why I went with Odie. And again, I mean, when I got Odie, I had already drawn like a ton of Garfield sets, so I already loved Odie. So Odie works perfect for him. And Odie's kind of like a cute little derpy dog. So, and my dog is just like that, so. So it was a perfect name for him. I know it's probably common. I think I've only heard of one other dog having it, but my vet said it was really popular. I was like, oh, sorry, Odie. It's all right. So now we're going in with the line work. Again, we're using our Double Trouble and Emo Black to do so. And we're getting it all placed out. I didn't fill in a second layer on those legs in the back because I am going to cover them in majority in black. So it was easier for me to like spot that area, so I can just easily fill it in with black without kind of guessing where it's going to be. But I love it. I think the almond shape is so cute, like how his paws land on the almond shape. I think it's adorable. Does anyone know what breed Odie is in Garfield? I'm trying to think, like, what would he be, like a wiener dog or something? But he has really long legs. Let me check. Give me a second, guys. Okay, it looks like he is a dachshund / beagle mix. Do you guys say dachshund or dachshund? I'm curious about that too. When I was growing up, I think I thought those were two different breeds, but I'm pretty sure they're the same breed. They're just pronounced significantly differently. So that's what he is, a dachshund and a beagle. That makes sense because of his big old ears. And because I was like, he has to be like, because the dachshund is kind of like a wiener dog, I would say, but because he kind of looks like that. But anyway, but he has really long legs. So now we are filling in the color for the pumpkin. It's looking good. I'm going to put, if I can find the dark picture where it's in the dark showing the reflection, I will put it in here. Hopefully I can find it. And yeah, so we're going to continue filling that in, and I will let you guys watch for a bit. now we are just about done with Odie. Look at him, so cute. And now we're moving on to our other nails. So I do a pumpkin on my pinky, my pointer, and my thumb, but I'm just gonna show you a snippet of the thumb because my phone would not, for the life of me, like just keep storage. And I was like deleting stuff. I don't know. I need to work on it because I literally bought the phone with the biggest storage. And why am I having this problem? I don't know. So I am just putting a blob of Sunset Orange of the Fantasy Clays onto my nail. And then you can see I just make creases and keep playing with it. Do not touch the clay with your hands. Don't do it. I shouldn't have done it. Don't do it. You're not supposed to do that because it's not good for your skin and you can give yourself contact dermatitis if you touch uncured clay like a lot. So don't do what I do. See, then my phone wouldn't do storage, and then you can kind of see how I do the vines. I just roll them up and then place them on there. Honestly, I'm not a good 3D teacher at this point, so it's all right. But yeah, so anyway, I just rolled up a little thin thing, laid it on there, and then I just keep playing with it with my tool until I get it perfect. So that's how the other nails look. That's Odie and Garfield. There's the thumb. And I hope you guys like this set. And these are the two together, my Halloween set. I love them so much. I still have them on right now. I need to find my thumb. I accidentally let my thumb pop off. But anyway, I hope you guys have a great Halloween. Be safe, eat lots of candy, and let me know your Halloween nails, okay? Tag me. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.